Assalamu alaikum. I'm your teacher Israh, and here we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 2, plants and their systems. And in today's module we are specifically going to learn about plant parts and their functions. So the first plant part that we are going to look at today are roots. Roots are that part of the plant that are present below the ground level. As roots are located below the ground level, so this part of the plant is actually responsible for holding the entire plant body in place in the ground, and it is just because of this plant part we are able to see plants surviving under tough windy conditions. The second most important function that is played by this part of the plant is that it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Okay, the next part is stem. The stem is cylindrical in its appearance, and this part of the plant is present above the ground level, and it holds leaves and branches. The main function of the stem is to direct water and nutrients from the roots to other parts of the plants. So in short, we may say that this is a transporting link of nutrients and minerals that were absorbed by the roots to the leaves. Okay, the next part is leaves. Leaves are considered as a food factory for the plant. Now, how is this so? How do they make food for the plant body? Either they cook? No, this is not so. This all happens just because of a green pigment that is called chlorophyll, that is present in chloroplast of the leaves. Okay, what happens is that chlorophyll or green pigment absorbs sunlight, which leaves use, or leaves, you may say that, which that sunlight is utilized for preparing glucose, which is later transported to the rest of the plant body where it is needed. All this happens through a process called photosynthesis. The next part is flower. Flower are brightly colored and often scented. Now, why are they scented? They are just scented to attract the insects. Now, why do they want to attract the insects? This is just to ensure a process called pollination, which helps in reproduction process. The second most important thing about flower is that they hold the male and female reproductive organs in themselves. Okay, birds are the small lumps, or in short words, we may say that the growth of a plant simply takes place through bird formation. Okay, the second most important thing that you all must know is that what is the difference between root system and a shoot system. You all get confused in answering this, but here is a simple definition for you all. The part of the plant that is generally beneath the ground is called root system, and the part of the plant that is above the ground, that is called a shoot system. The clear image of the both is here, root system and shoot system. The arrows are clearly identifying the difference between both two systems. Okay, that was all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.